Aston Martin's high-stakes gamble. A secret hypercar emerges amid financial turbulence. Aston Martin is currently navigating a period of extreme contradiction. While the luxury automaker reported a staggering $666 million pre-tax loss last year and continues to struggle with performance issues on the Formula One grid, it is simultaneously pouring resources into a mysterious, high-performance prototype. Recent footage captured on social media has revealed a glimpse of this secret project, suggesting that the company is doubling down on its most extreme engineering capabilities despite its financial headwinds. A Batmobile on the airfield, the prototype, spotted undergoing testing at an airfield, has quickly captured the attention of automotive enthusiasts. The vehicle's design is radical, blending elements from several high-performance disciplines: Formula One and IndyCar. The low-slung front end, prominent motorsport-inspired wings, and wheel arches mimic the aerodynamics of top-tier open-wheel racers. The Valkyrie DNA. The cockpit design features a protective halo similar to an F1 car, with the driver positioned deep within the chassis. Endurance racing. The rear of the vehicle features a shark fin and a complex wing assembly reminiscent of the Valkyrie AMG LMR, the model currently competing in endurance racing. The aesthetic has been described as a futuristic mashup, blending the aggressive lines of a Le Mans hypercar with the experimental look of niche racing machines. Engineering clues. The V12 connection beyond its visual silhouette, the most telling clue lies in its acoustics. Although the vehicle was not being driven at its limits during the sighting, the engine note strongly resembles the 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 developed by Cosworth. This is the same powerhouse that drives the flagship Valkyrie, suggesting this new project may be an evolution of Aston Martin's most extreme road car technology. Why this matters? High risk, high reward. This development highlights a specific strategy often seen in the ultra-luxury automotive sector: using halo cars to drive brand prestige. For a company facing significant financial losses, developing a hypercar is a massive capital expenditure. However, these vehicles serve a purpose beyond mere sales. They act as technological demonstrators and marketing powerhouses that elevate the brand's status. By pushing the boundaries of what is possible on a track, Aston Martin aims to maintain its image as a leader in performance, even as it works to stabilize its broader business operations and F1 competitiveness. Because the prototype does not appear to conform to the regulations of any existing racing series, it is likely a dedicated track-only machine or a precursor to a new class of extreme hypercar. This mystery project represents a bold, high-risk attempt by Aston Martin to reclaim its engineering prestige through extreme performance, even as the company grapples with significant financial deficits.